Welcome to Nick Tech Tips, and today I'll be showing you how to make a custom background for your Gmail. So first we'll go up to here. Once we open up Gmail, we will press on the 9 dots to open the Google Apps. From there, we'll press on Photos. When that loads, we'll go up to Upload and press Upload. And then from here, we will press on any photo. And we will let these upload here. When it comes up, we'll go over to where it is and we'll click on it. We'll go up here to the 3 dots here, we'll press on that and press Add to Album. Press New Album and then call it whatever you want and press the tick up here. So now that's done, we can go back to Gmail up here and then we can press on the setting cog here and press on Themes. So before you could only pick from these, we'll press on My Photos down here and now our album is shown here. We can open that up and we can select the photo you just uploaded and click on that and it will now be here. Press save or use any of these settings covered in my last video and press save. There you go, there's a custom background for your Gmail. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment below. If you liked it, press the like button and subscribe. Thank you.